Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign in two Apple IDs on your iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or other iOS device and want to log in two Apple IDs on your iPhone, I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to make sure that you are connected with strong internet connection, and guys, if you're using mobile data you have to turn on your mobile data. And guys, secondly, you need to check for updates. So guys, if you are not updated your iPhone to latest iOS version, simply you have to update it first, and guys, after doing update you need to go back. So guys, now I am going to show you that I have logged in my Apple ID in settings. As well as you can see here, I am using this Apple ID on my iPhone, only one Apple ID. And guys, now I am going to sign in second Apple ID on my iPhone. So guys, how can you do this? Simply you have to go at back, and guys, you will see here the option of App Store. So guys, when I am going to open my App Store, here you can see the option of profile icon, and guys, here is the option that is sign in with Apple ID. So guys, simply you can sign in another Apple IDs, means second Apple ID here. And guys, after this you can use two Apple IDs at a time, one on settings and second on App Store. And guys, by doing this method you will be able to sign in two Apple IDs. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.